Are you really interested, or you just want to earn men's validation? Then explain what nutmeg means, or do you know what the offside rule is? That classic question. Being a girl who's into sports isn't just as simple as enjoying the game. I always thought, what if I'm not good enough? That's my promotion. Hi there, this is Reema. Welcome to my small corner of the internet, where watching sports or talking about sports isn't just a mere pastime. It's a passion which I have carried within me since I was a child. I was in the seventh standard when I first declared to my parents, I want to be a sports journalist. Well, many years have passed after that, but that dream is still alive. I don't know whether I'll ever be able to achieve that, but it's never too late for small beginnings, right? So, now before I proceed further, I want to get this point straight. Being a girl who's into sports isn't just as simple as enjoying the game. Over the years, I have heard it all. Are you really interested, or you just want to earn men's validation? Or my personal favorite, which I think I have heard multiple times. Do you actually understand the game, or are you just crushing over the players? Spoiler alert, I do understand. It's not about the looks, but good looks are always an added advantage. Because why not? And of course, then came the quizzes. So during interactions, if I've said I like to watch football, the next thing I've heard is, oh, really? Then explain what nutmeg means, or do you know what the offside rule is? That classic question. Oh, and this is something I'll never forget. So during one of the interactions, when I said I also watch F1, someone told me, you know, right? It's not just about cars going around the track in circles. Of course, I know. Of course, I know it's not just about that. It's about the car design, the strategies, the engine, precision, and all that stuff that makes F1 so addictive. So, now all the factors which I mentioned, this, along with the fact that I never had the confidence, it stopped me from doing what I'm doing right now. So, I always wanted to have a page of my own where I would talk about sports, but I always thought, what if I'm not good enough? And this one thought has prevented me from doing this for so long. So why now, right? So basically, right now, I am at a stage in life when I feel that it's okay to be not good enough. It's okay to be not perfect. I can always learn. And during this journey, I will definitely learn. I will improve and hopefully along the way, keep everyone informed and entertained. So, yes, that's it. That's about my page. That's my promotion. So, here you can expect a little bit of everything, sports which I love to watch, sports which I follow, and who knows, I may even end up talking about sports which I never thought I would before. But yes, all in all, I'll try to be valuable, informative, meaningful, keep the space informal and casual, and if I can help it, at times full of sarcasm and wit. So, yes, I'll be very grateful if you please press the follow button, join me on this ride, and let's talk sports.